5 innovative gadgets you won't believe exists. Welcome to Tech Courier. The fact that the technology we will use in the future is already available to us today is evidence that the future has already arrived. There is no question that technology has had a significant impact on our lives. Today we are going to talk about 5 innovative gadgets you won't believe to exists. Even though we are all currently residing in the year 2018, the innovators of this bizarre technology are most likely all currently residing in the year 3000. Here is a list of some of the most incredible innovations and technological breakthroughs that have been made recently in the world. Number 5. Automobiles equipped with breathalyzers. Near the end of the previous year, the United States National Highway Traffic Safety Administration presented a technology that has the potential to be incorporated into a device that is installed in a vehicle and can sniff whether or not the driver is too intoxicated to drive safely. The software could also be attached to the steering wheel and scan the blood flowing under the driver's fingertips to determine the amount of alcohol that was present in their bloodstream. If the program determined that the driver was operating the vehicle while under the influence of alcohol, it would disable the system. When you get behind the wheel under the influence, buddy, you can kiss those plans goodbye because nobody wants to drive anywhere with you. Now, automotive manufacturer Seat has incorporated the technology into their newest family hatchback, the Leon Cristobal. Before the vehicle may go off, the driver has to demonstrate that they can pass a breathalyzer test. Number 4. Gardens that float on water by Smart Floating Farms, SFF, a company based in Barcelona. Food is a very important topic. As a result of the United Nations projection that the global population will increase to more than 9 billion by the year 2050, the demand for food will necessarily increase by almost 70%. Then there is the not insignificant matter of global warming, which is leading to the transformation of millions of acres of fertile land into deserts. There is a chance, but you have to work for it before you can genuinely believe it. These are lightweight modules that span more than 200 meters by 350 meters, and they may be combined with other modules to form clusters. These clusters come replete with research centers and built-in walkways. According to the Sustainable Foods Foundation, SFF, when the high-tech farms are finished, they will be capable of contributing approximately 8,100 tons of vegetables and 1,700 tons of fish to the global food grid. The land is at the ideal location to cut down on food delays, reduce the carbon footprint, transportation, and, of course, provide organic food that is suitable for meeting the requirements of human nutrition. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe and click the notification bell. Number 3. Printing personalized food using 3D technology. Imagine entering a restaurant and being greeted by the waiter, who instead of asking "What will you have?" asks "How would you like your food printed?" You then answer by saying, "Let's see. The 3D printed pizza, please." Even though startup companies like BHEX have already experimented with this amazing technology and found some success with it, 2 scientists located in Israel have stated that they have taken 3D printed food to an entirely new level. The operation is as follows. After years of research, scientists Oded Shoziav and Ido Braslavsky found nanocellulose, which is a natural fiber that they believe the human gut can digest with ease. This discovery was made possible by the discovery of nanocellulose. They intend to incorporate particular amino acids, antioxidants, vitamins, dietary supplements, carbohydrates, and fatty acids into cartridges that already contain their nanocellulose material. Their 3D printing technology for food is only applicable to dough at present, but they vow to increase the range of foods that may be made using their cutting-edge technology shortly. Number 2. A calorie counter made by Calorie Echo. And while we're on the topic of calories, Panasonic, a world leader in consumer electronics, has developed a nifty piece of cutting-edge technology that can estimate the amount of damage that a part of buffalo wings will do to your waistline and blood vessels. But there are dozens of calorie scanners available. What makes this one different from the others? In contrast to the currently available technology, which takes between 60 and 120 seconds, the calorie count can be generated by the calorie echo in just 10 seconds. Before you can comfortably chunk down a meal or put it in a bin, it utilizes a proprietary infrared technology that measures the level of nutrition included within the meal. When compared to earlier technologies used for counting calories, this has made it possible to achieve an increase in accuracy of up to 20%. Number 1. Blood vessels that are printed in 3D. In the meantime, over at the Harvard Medical School, scientists have discovered a way to use bioprinting technology to create bodily organs, which will reduce the need for organ transplants from one human to another and make it easier to save lives with less of personal sacrifice. This constitutes a significant advance toward the creation of living, functional human tissue. The operation is as follows. In a recent paper that was published in Biomicrofluidics, the global team outlines how they fit together the many pieces of the 3D printing puzzle to build blood vessels for a 3D printed vascularized liver tissue. The article was published in English. They printed the hollow channels that would later become vessels using an ink that was based on the gel. When the vessels are finished being set, the ink is removed by washing. However, the three-dimensional model is lacking something very important: the lining of endothelial cells that line the inner layers of human blood arteries. These cells form a barrier that prevents external chemicals and infectious agents from entering the bloodstream. To create the semi-permeable layer, human endothelial cells, or primary cells, are utilized as the building blocks. So this is the end of our today's video. Do you like it? Kindly give your valuable response in our comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting and informative videos.